opening notes.
Congratulations, Coach Leo. You got your usual offense back, but more than that, your defense did wonders, limiting PNP to just 35.2% from the field. What were the key adjustments after Game 1 that you would attribute to this victory?
I think the biggest impact tonight is our defense, and because we have a lot of energy and focus sa game, and because of the last game, we're not that kind of energy and focus sa game, and makikita mo yung intensity ng player. So we're able to match up the energy of our opponent, and then yun, talent nag-prevail, especially si Don Trujano, and then at the same time, so laging binabanggit natin ay yung bench namin, and they contributed heavily. Okay, unlike last game talagang 30% lang. Ngayon, I think this 50, 65 at saka 46 guys, so napakalaki yun. But because of the effort, we out-rebounded them, unlike ng first game, they out-rebounded us in spite na we're the leading rebounding team in the league after the elimination. But credit to the players because they are so focused today.
Thank you, Coach Leo. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations Coach, nung game number 1, more than 50% ng production ng offensive side sa team ngayon. Tonight, yung mga perimeter players mo na deliver, especially Don Trujano, ano yung adjustments nyo to make sure they're able to contribute this time, especially ay mga bukas sa zero.
It's very obvious in the last game namin. So 11 out of 45 yung guards namin, especially mga women, and that's a huge setback para sa amin. Usually yung bench namin minsan malaki pa ang production sa bench sa starter, and I think they are so focused with this game dahil makikita mo naman na sa dugout, they are so quiet and then thinking of something.
Coach, hindi na po Rodney, seems like he had a really bad fall in the second half. Naging 5 games sa
Yeah, we don't know yet, but i-assess ng mga PT namin. But it will be a huge impact para sa amin kung hindi siya makakalaro. Because when it comes to hustle, na andyan siya, lagi maaasahan mo siya. And sometimes, umi-score pa siya. Unfortunately, kanina, so accidentally, napakan yung paano isang player nila. But I hope na minor lang ito. And then, magagaling naman yung PT namin. Bahala na sila para makabalik ito sila.
Don, congratulations. 2 points tonight. Don, maraming sabi sa usapan about the starters sa game 1. Paano na pagpag-yun at nag-focus ka dito na makita sa game 2?
Yung mindset ko talaga bumawi. Kasi yun nga yung game 1, pangit yung laro ko. And iniisip ko lang talaga, hindi kami pwedeng madaw ng 2 game. So, ginawa ko lang yung best ko para makatulong sa team.
Coach, isa sa mga adjustments mo was to insert Wami Thompson sa starting lineup and you responded with 9 points first half. Yung masabi mo sa pinakita niya?
Yeah, Wami naman, alam natin na nilalaro niya before this playoff. Gusto ko lang bigyan ng kumpiyansa because I know he could help a lot. And besides, alam natin si Chris Jose is not 100% So at the start and at the same time, he's a threat anytime he's open So, floor spacer din siya dahil kung meron kang big man na pinupuntahan, so malilimit yung help from the guard or the wingman because everybody's a threat from the perimeter. And maganda kay Wami, everyday naman nakita natin siya na talagang hindi nawawala siya, and then he don't care kung gamitin siya o hindi, but he keeps on getting in shape.
Coach, maging mainit yung mga huling sakit ng laro. Lalo ko for play out sa game 3 on Sunday.
Well, it's I think it's a matter of how hungry we are and they are and then I'm expecting na it will be an exciting game dahil 1-1 this na-reduce na sa best of 5 and game 1 for the best of 5 is really crucial but we don't know yet kung ibibigay nila but as far as these two games concerned binibigay nila yung premium nila dito sa defense and the mere fact na talagang nagtatrap sila sa amin, I think that is one of their surprise sa amin. And then last game namin, ganun din ginawa nila, talagang full court man to man, and then mabuti na lang, we have big leads, yung 24 points namin and na-cut down to 10. Fortunately, andito si Dodd nag-perform para sa amin. And then, siguro gustong bumawi nung last game niya. Congrats to Dodd.
Oh, wait.
Doon, with this, after kong magandang performance mo, gano'n kalaking taas sa kumpiyansa mo to, ngayong tatal na series, game 3, hindi na yung laban.
For me naman, hindi ko na iniisip kung compare yung mga confidence sa ganyan. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho ko sa game. Kung hindi man ako makascore, mabawi naman ako sa defense. Marami yung aspect ng game. So yun, ginagawa ko lang talaga yung job ko.
All right, and Rob, thank you so much.